Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia. And today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your KEAM rank. So first you have to go to the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this website, you have to click on it, and after visiting the website you have to scroll down below and you will see this section of College Predictor. Select that, and after that you have to select the course and the exam you want to pursue. For example, we will be seeing today for KEM, and this is the course I want to do. For example, we want to do BARC, and then you have to click on find colleges, and after that you have to enter your rank along with your reservation category and the course. For example, my rank is 1100. This is my reservation category and course. After that you have to click on check results. So you can see there are in total of 22 colleges for which I qualify for, and this is the list of all those colleges given. It's listed all here, and if you want to know more about the college and the course, you have to select over here, and you will be redirected to this page where you can see all the information regarding your course, your review, your cutoff, placement, galleries, scholarship, faculty, everything will be given. And you can also download all this information with a brochure that is given this option below. And if you want to see colleges according to your preferences and choices, you have to select the option of filter, and you can set the preferences according to the city, your year, the substream and the degree type you can see. And you have to apply those changes and you will see all the colleges that you qualify for according to your preferences. So thank you for watching. If you have any other question, you can comment down below or you can visit the website that is collegedunia.com.